In this world, a revolutionary invention has challenged the domination of electric cars. An engine that violates conventional combustion restrictions also has an unmatched fuel economy and minimum emissions. But this is not fiction. This is an actual compressed air engine released by Stellantis to shake the very foundation of the automobile industry. Today, we delve into the depths of this engineering marvel and explore why it's poised to change the game forever. Here, we go on an innovation meets disruption journey, as well as a transformation meets traditional one. Welcome to the beginning of the end for EVs. Emergence of compressed air engine. On its constant quest for innovation, the automobile industry has one leading company in propulsion technology, Stellantis Jeep. The latest hybrid air powertrain is a revolutionary approach to vehicle engineering that combines traditional combustion engines with advanced compressed air technology. The innovative core of this development lies in the combination of petrol and compressed air, an alliance between the past and future that will deliver exceptional fuel efficiency and performance. Implementing this powertrain allows vehicles equipped with it to achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency using stored energy from compressed air while minimizing environmental damage. The system is a marvel of engineering, consisting of several components working together harmoniously for optimum performance. It relies primarily on a tank for storing compressed air that captures energy while braking or decelerating. This energy is then supplemented by a low-pressure tank, ensuring continuous and reliable power supply to the car. Petroleum and compressed air seamlessly merge through elaborate hydraulic systems to ensure precision and efficiency in directing the vehicle forward. A hybrid air powertrain is a brave departure from the norm, giving us insight into what lies ahead regarding automotive propulsion. Due to its innovative structure and unparalleled efficiency, it is strategically positioned to redefine the driving experience for future generations. Welcome to the new age of transportation, performance, and environmental impact. As an engine compressing air, this technology represents the ultimate in vehicle care for fuel consumption and emissions. Firstly, let's discuss fuel efficiency. Cars fitted with a compressed air engine can achieve astonishing mileage figures, whereas some models can go up to 120 miles per gallon. This level of effectiveness shows considerable progress from conventional combustion engines, thus enabling drivers to save much more on fuel costs while reducing their carbon footprints. However, it's not only about the compressed air engine's high fuel efficiency. Other factors make it stand out, like environmental friendliness. These vehicles' use of compressed air significantly reduces CO2 levels, thus making them greener compared to petrol-powered ones. The progress is reducing CO2 emissions is astonishing. Some versions have reduced carbon dioxide emissions by up to 95% over current internal combustion engines. Moreover, the compressed air engine excels at particulate trapping and virtually eliminates harmful particulate matter from its exhaust emissions. This is a giant leap forward in improving air quality and reducing health risks compared to conventional combustion engines. The compressed air engine is a competitive alternative to electricity-powered hybrid cars. Electric vehicles are not faulty, either because they are eco-friendly with no fumes and silent, but they have drawbacks, such as a short drive distance per charge unit and a time-consuming recharging process. In contrast, however, vehicles fitted with the compressed air engine offer the best of both worlds: an impressive fuel efficiency level coupled with minimal release into the atmosphere and refueling options similar to those used by ordinary vehicles. Cost and affordability. The hybrid air system is attractive because of its cost and simplicity, especially compared to the traditional hybrid vehicles. Unlike regular hybrids and EVs, which depend on complex battery packs and intricate electrical systems, the hybrid air system takes a more laid-back and inexpensive approach to hybridization. The simplicity of the hybrid air system results in lower production costs, which can translate into more affordable vehicles for customers. By eliminating pricey battery packs and complicated electrical parts, automakers can pass on these savings to consumers, making hybrid air cars more accessible to a broader range of people. The hybrid air system is cheaper up front and cost-effective during installation and maintenance. With fewer components and a simpler design, compressed air engine vehicles are easier and cheaper to manufacture, thereby reducing installation and maintenance costs for consumers. Perspective on EVs. One of the biggest names in the auto industry, Carlos Tavares, the CEO of Stellantis, has emerged as a leading critic of the growing glamour for electric vehicles. His misgivings reflect a multi-pronged lens that encompasses pragmatic concerns over EVs. Tavares' worries center on resource scarcity, particularly regarding lithium-ion batteries that power electric cars. Lithium, an essential ingredient of these batteries, is less abundant than it is generally considered. Hence, potential disruptions in the supply chain and tension between countries over access to this vital resource exist. As noted by Tavares, the extraction and processing of lithium and other rare earth metals crucial to EV production have been surrounded by geopolitical tensions. This means that when nations compete for these exhaustible resources, electrical vehicle supply chains are prone to geopolitical risk, leading to further complexity and increasing their production scale worldwide. In addition to resource depletion and geostrategic rivalries, financial implications have been mentioned before, but only briefly. Despite the governmental incentives and mandates designed to expedite the adoption of EVs, switching requires significant upfront investment in research, development, and infrastructure. Tavares has warned of the danger of investing heavily in EV production without a good business reason because of the possible financial hazards. Thin margins characterize the automobile sector, and the shift to electric vehicles requires heavy investments in new technologies and manufacturing processes. Tavares' pessimism demonstrates that he has a realistic view of the financial issues facing the electrification process, which affects an entire industry, especially when market dynamics are unknown or customer tastes change. The current automotive sector operates on very low profit margins, and transitioning to electric vehicles will require considerable investments in new technologies and manufacturing facilities. Tavares understands this reality quite well, having worked in car making for years. This is all based on business. It illustrates how difficult it would be for automakers to make money in EVs alone. CEO Carlos Tavares is cautious about becoming too dependent on EVs unless they are profitable. Generally, high capital investments create financial risks by destroying value rather than deploying capital prudently to create value. For instance, according to Ernst Ellinghorst, 2017, an Evercore ISI car analyst, nobody else makes money building electric cars. A recent study showed that only 2% of people globally plan to buy an EV within 5 years, while only 1/3 will contemplate rebuying an ICE vehicle after owning one. The future of compressed air engine, with the government's mandate to encourage EVs. One might think this technology, the compressed air engine, would not be accepted by others, but it's the contrary. Zero Pollution Motors, ZPM, manufactures compressed air-powered cars, making it a leading company. MDI's AirPod model, an urban vehicle powered by compressed air, is among the famous examples of cars that aim to address city pollution and mobility problems. ZPM is expected to roll out the first compressed air-driven car for sale in the U.S. by mid-2024. However, other manufacturers or entities could also explore this new technology or consider incorporating it into their vehicles. No supplied sources discuss specific details on different cars adopting this compressed air technology. It may be possible for some other automakers or innovative firms to assess integrating this technology into their range of vehicles due to potential environmental benefits and higher energy efficiency that come with compressed air engines. Compressed air propulsion systems may become more common as vehicle manufacturers look for sustainable transport options in the future. Role of compressed air engine. Jeep's new air compressed engine is set to disrupt the auto industry like never before. It will beat electric vehicles that have dominated this space and redefine what mobility means. The compressed air engine is an excellent alternative to conventional combustion engines and EVs, balancing efficiency, cost effectiveness, and environmental responsibility. It presents an alternative to greener alternatives for gasoline cars with its impressive fuel economy, low emissions, and cost effectiveness, which does not have the anxieties about range and lack of infrastructure seen with electric vehicles. Customers will see profound implications. The development of compressed air engines introduces a wide range of opportunities by providing a transportation solution that performs better than others in terms of performance and convenience while being more affordable and accessible. Consumers can also benefit from eco-friendly driving without spending more money than they are used to for operating budget, cleaner environment, and ability to refuel where they already do. Nonetheless, Jeep's recent engine has more profoundly impacted the entire vehicle industry as automakers balance profitability with pressures for innovation while transitioning into green technologies. This is an overdue moment of truth for them. The new introduction of compressed air engines significantly upsets this dynamic by debunking conventional wisdom about EV supremacy and forcing automakers to rethink their future strategy. Compressed air represents much graver issues in the bigger context of the future of vehicles and mobility. Therefore, it invites us to interrogate our assumptions, question the status quo, and contribute to meaningful discussion on transport direction in the 21st century. As we ponder the implications of Jeep's new engine, we're compelled to ask ourselves, what kind of future do we envision for our roads, cities, and planet? Equally important is how can innovation power be used to build an equitable, inspiring, and sustainable future for generations to come. As a result, I invite you to join us in this discussion. Your ideas, opinions, or inquiries considering the compressed air engine and its potential impacts on the automotive industry will be appreciated. In unity, let's embrace different prospects while setting up a roadmap for a progressive mobility future. The compressed air engine is a revolutionary development in motor vehicle technology that surpasses all other forms of propulsion in energy efficiency, cost, and environmental friendliness. The future of the compressed air engine is full of possibilities, from its ability to reach excellent fuel economy with almost no emissions to even challenging the dominance of electric vehicles. As we consider the capabilities and prospects that come with such an innovative direction, I invite you as our viewers to contribute your thoughts, insights, and predictions on EVs, alternative fuel technologies in the future. What influence will a compressed air engine have on the automobile industry? How do you think transportation will look like tomorrow? In the weeks and months ahead, we will explore some of the latest developments within the automotive industry, from emerging trends and technologies to what mobility means today. Stay connected and stay engaged by subscribing to our channel or following us on social media. Let's uncover the unknown and innovate into new frontiers while we walk this path together. Thanks for watching, guys. See you at my next video. Drive safe, drive smart.